May 2026. Here at the Gan River in Nanchang, China, Chasing teams up with CCTV once again to explore Porpoise Bay, the perfect habitat and breeding ground for the Yangtze finless porpoise. But getting to know these agile underwater neighbors is tough. Finless porpoises are highly alert. Even when they surface, it's just for a split second. Traditional surface tracking rarely captures how they actually live. The Chasing X ROV is changing that. Deep beneath the surface, its 4K camera records and streams crystal clear footage. Its built-in imaging sonar scans a massive underwater area. The moment a porpoise swims by, its exact movements and paths are tracked. This is a massive boost for scientific research. Thanks to this zero-disturbance approach, researchers can easily gather first-hand data on how these porpoises feed, live, and breed. This provides vital clues for future conservation. Chasing X proves the real power of underwater embodied AI. It flawlessly combines environmental awareness, steady movement, and real-time response. It lets us quietly observe these beautiful returning lives. This perfectly highlights the mission of Chasing, taking smart underwater tech into the wild to protect biodiversity, restore natural habitats, and live in harmony with our aquatic ecosystems.